lay that down right at the base. Do you see I don't really have to because of using that dark color right at the base, just stamping it on, but let's add a little bit. Yeah. So if you want to, you could add some mascara here. I don't really need to though. What do y'all think? I don't feel like I really even need to do that. What's this? Oh, this is the L'Oreal regular. We'll put some on. I didn't even curl my lashes, and now that I just put on liner, I can't. Because if you do, it'll take it right back off. But we'll add a little bit. So I'm going to tip out the ends, just so I'll have some mascara on. And then just kind of comb it through with this. This is a good formula, I think. I love it in the waterproof, but I still, my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express is still better. Okay, and again, because you don't have any drying, it's not drying quick enough, you are not going to see nearly the way for this to stay up and cause your lashes to stay up and spread out more. And I'm also not noticing any real curling formula on this. Whoops, I thought I saw fuzz. I did. There is a dog hair, or either it could be a hair from the makeup towel I'm using right here. Because it's microfiber, it has little fibers. So it's better just use an old-fashioned terry cloth towel, but just pick a gray or a brown or a black one so that you don't mess up your nice white towels. And also that way your husband and kids know that's mommy's makeup towel or my wife's makeup towel, and that's not for me to use. And that's why it looks gross, because even when you wash it, it's still going to be a stain you can't get out most of the time. Especially if you use the same cloths over and over, the stains will just get worse and worse. There we go. There. So there is just a little bit of a wet mascara look that I do like to have. Even if it's not really good coverage, it's still mascara. It still makes the lashes look like they're more finished than if you didn't do mascara. There we go. That's it. So I'm very well aware that this is a very made up look. And I wanted a made up look because I'm wearing such a bright shirt. I feel like wearing muted makeup would kind of look weird. So again, I'm going to add back my color, because just the only thing I have a really bright color like this, like the spring pink. It's very pretty for spring. As it tones down, you know, if I'm talking, drinking coffee, eating, you will have some transfer. I don't care how good a product is. And so you're going to lose the color mainly on the inner part of your lip. So you just need to add that back. Let it dry. And then add the gloss, which sets it and makes it shiny. And moisturizes, because, you know, all day products are drying. And so this is very, very pretty. Again, I do feel like this is a bit strong, my look today. So what I'm going to do is just take a makeup style, like that you would use for foundation, because it's very, very dense, and just kind of get the inner areas and knock some of that color out. Just maybe it's too much color. Oops. Oh, scared drop right there. There's a couple of those I'll need to fix. Or if you feel like you over highlighted, that's just moisture though. I actually didn't highlight there, y'all. That's actually just good moisture products. So that's actual real shine. It's not fake shine. What do y'all think? What do you think of these products? Is there anyone that was your favorite? If I didn't have on this bright pink, how do you think the eyes look? And I need to fix, I did get a boo-boo. So let me just get my little cloth, get that boo-boo off. too far down on the outer one there and on the inner one here. Sometimes you can get it with cloth. Good, I was able to. Sometimes you got to be careful because when you clean up makeup, it takes off your base, and you don't want to do that. I tend to look for perfection, and you don't have to. You don't have to be so overly perfect like I'm being.